Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Erodal and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple UI designing. So this is basically your introduction to UI designing, how to do it, etc, etc. I'm going to be using Figma and ROBLOX Studio, since Figma is like superior in UI designing. If you use ROBLOX Studio, it's just like ROBLOX Studio. So first you're gonna see this UI to create shapes and stuff. Just do this, create a shape. So I'm just gonna be making a default notification type thing. No, not a notification, simple. I'm gonna make a welcome to your game, welcome to my game. It's gonna be in the center of the user screen. So now as you can see, I made this triangle. You can move it with the cursor. So now you can click on these radius to like add UI corners. So now you can also like change by going here, fill. You can see it's a D9 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 right now, hex code by the way. Change it to 9999. Just gonna make it gray. You can do many things. For here you can do for gradients, like this can create a good gradient like 1000 and then like 44444, something like this, but I'm gonna make it as 0000 as this. Let me just do one, and let me just make this D9 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 and this as 99999. Now you can edit your gradient through here. Let's make this one 50. You can change the gradient percentage. I'm gonna keep this as white and this as black. You can do this. But I don't want a gradient. I made this simple gradient. Now for text, you can click on the text icon. It's like Word, you can just drag and drop. So I'm just gonna remove this for smaller. Some fonts may not load into ROBLOX. For that you may have to like use image labels, but I'm gonna show you that too. But here's the simplistics. First of all, welcome to my game. And then you're gonna like use this to typography for 50. So if I change this to 50, it's gonna change the size. Let's keep it as 500. It's gonna change the text size to 500. But first you have to select this. If you don't, it's not gonna work. 500, then it's gonna go like that. 20, 40 is fine. And now we can just centralize it. Centralize, I don't know if that's a word. Do this. No, it's actually, let's just keep it in the middle. And then let's change the font, etc. I'm going to keep it as bold, and this font as we can keep this as Lalezar or whatever. We have to first select this. Can first, sorry for the lag, my PC is kind of slow. Then you can do this. Then I told you, is there, and then you can, for example, if you want like a gradient instead of the normal thing, you can just go here, fill, plus this gradient, and then you can just make this black and make this type of white. Or if you want to completely change that, just make it blue and then the other one red. That's gonna completely change the style, but yep, still looks good. But if you want to do that, let's just adjust the gradient of this one to make this a little redder and this one a little bluer. I can tell you that my UI isn't that great. Like, I don't use UI that much. Cyan should be a little bit more clearer. The red should be little more red. Yep, something like this. Honestly, in my opinion, let's just keep this white. Simple enough. This white. Yep, this looks great. But if you want to add more features such as UI corners, you can add a UI stroke, basically a UI stroke. Then you can add that. You can change the thickness, etc. Here thickness means weight. So if you add 10, it's gonna be 10. If you add like let's keep it like 4, and then let's change this to a gradient to the black and white. Yep, so this is my UI. As you can see, looks good, average, below average you can say. So then you can just go to the plugins. First you have to install the plugin, and then you go into manage plugins. First of all, let's search for Figma to Roblox. Click on this one, which looks like this. Convert Figma to Roblox instances by No Twisted here. He's a good developer. Now then you have to run this. Wait for like 2 seconds, it's gonna come. And then you have to do this. You can use your cloud API key, etc, etc. But I'm gonna select this. Then I'm gonna do convert selection. Successfully exported. So now as you can see, I can name this UI design. I'm gonna name my channel Irodal so that I can remember it. Irodal. So now if I save it, then let's head to Roblox Studio. Now as you can see, we're in Roblox Studio. Now I'm gonna click on new experience, which is gonna open up Blaze Plate. If you don't know, I'm row aviation here, like whatever I do, developing etc in row aviation. I will create some tutorials for that too. Don't fret. So now I've opened my Roblox Studio. So now when I go here, I'm gonna open Starter GUI. I'm gonna right click it, insert from file. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna click my UI design Irodal. Ignore these local scripts. I'm gonna go into screen GUI. I'm gonna click on these two, put this into screen GUI. This may look a bit weird. You may have to like adjust things inside Roblox Studio. Like as you can see here, like the rectangle has the UI stroke, but it's not applied properly. Because this is, yes, it is actually not applied properly. So you have to just fix this, and then just put line join mode as round. This is gonna be round, so this is gonna add this. And for the text, just move this into the middle, and then you can click on font. It's gonna say temp read failed if it doesn't read the font you just made or wrote. I'm gonna choose Fedorka since it's good. Then I'm gonna put bold. Then I'm gonna just increase the text. But as you can see, like 50% of the thing we made, 50% of the things we made came in properly. So now as you can see, my GUI has been perfectly made. Figma versus Roblox, kinda the same honestly, since it is actually the same. So this is my actual tutorial. So thank you guys for watching so much. Happy by designing, and be sure to have fun. By the way, for the Figma and etc., you should go to the figma.com website, and Roblox Studio, just make a Roblox account and create section. Alright, so thanks. Have a good day, good night, good afternoon, good evening. Bye bye.